Question 1 says, is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? And then we are given these three parts. In each part we are given three lengths, and we have to check whether it is possible to draw a triangle with these three lengths as the side lengths. Now to solve this question, we will use the property of triangles that the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. So in each part, we will check the sum of every pair of lengths and determine whether it is greater than the third length. Okay, so let's start with the first part. In the first part, the sides are given as 2 cm, 3 cm and 5 cm. So first we check, is, let's say, the sum of the first two sides greater than the third side. So is 2 plus 3 greater than 5? And the answer to this is no. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So just by checking this first pair, we can say that in question 1, it is not possible to draw a triangle with these three sides. And so the answer for part 1 is no. Okay, so that is part 1. Now in part 2, the three sides are 3 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm. So we will check the sum of each pair of sides and see whether it is greater than the third side or not. So first we check, is 3 plus 6, the sum of the first two, greater than 7? And 3 plus 6 is 9 and 9 is greater than 7. So yes, the answer is yes to this check. Then we check, is 6 plus 7, the sum of the second and the third one, is this greater than the first side? Is 6 plus 7 greater than 3? And 6 plus 7 is 13. So the answer to this is also yes. And then we check, is the sum of the first and the third one, so is 3 plus 7 greater than the second one? So is 3 plus 7 greater than 6? And 3 plus 7 is 10. So and 10 is greater than 6. So the answer is yes to this as well. So for this set of sides, the sum of each pair is greater than the third side, and therefore it is possible to have a triangle with these three sides. So the answer is yes for part 2. So that's part 2, and now we come to part 3, in which the three sides are 6 cm, 3 cm and 2 cm. So once again we will check the sum of each pair and see if it is greater than the third part or not, the third side or not. So first we check, is 6 plus 3 greater than 2? The sum of the first two, is it greater than the third one? And 6 plus 3 is 9 and 9 is greater than 2. So the answer is yes to this. Then we check if the sum of the second and the third one, these two, is it greater than the first one? So is 3 plus 2 greater than 6? And 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 is not greater than 6. So the answer is no to this case. So for this set of sides, the sum of 3 plus 2 is not greater than 6, and therefore it is not possible to have a triangle with these three sides. So the answer is no for part 3. And with this we have completed question number 1. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.